explain the way of design column by the provided reinforcement of RC elements. There are two different ways of designing the columns or beams or the members. As you can see here, the required reinforcement and the provided reinforcement. So today, in this video, we will talk about the provided reinforcement of RC elements. The difference between these two things, that the required and the provided. The required actually is the designing of whole elements. You can design whole elements, whole columns, beams at once. That means it will show you the designing of whole project. But for provided reinforcement it will show you the design of individual elements, beams, columns, individuals. That means it will show you the specifications, the shop drawing of these elements and the details inside these elements, spacing, drawing, and so on. So let's start with this design using the provided reinforcement. There are different ways to reach to these commands or to this order. The first one is to go from, you select the elements and just go to provided reinforcement. This is talking about the loads, lack of load case definitions. So let's say okay, no problem for this. Then it will show you the two options: simple cases or manual cases. Simple cases usually is nothing but the dead load and live load that you already define it in the project. Manual also the combination that you have defined in the projects according to the code that you are using. So this the ultimate limit states, and here is the dead load and live load. Usually we use the manual combinations using the ultimate limit states. So let's go back to our project. So second way to reach to the provided from here, as you can see, provided reinforcement of RC elements. It's same commands. Here are the list of combinations and loads. So it will show us also the same. Then let's say okay, manual. Then we will say okay. So in this template or in this interface, we can notice that the software robot structures give us the dimensions and details taken from the structure. So it is same as the structure one. But in this interface, we can there are notable changes in the interface from the structure or from the original one. Here it gives you a shortcut to create your elements, your own elements, if you wish to create new elements. RC elements, we can see here the loads. So the loads are actually nothing but the loads that come from the project, and we can see here there are three moment A, B, C. It is in the top and bottom and also the middle of the column. Then the backlink length also here. This the backlink length uh, around y and z direction. So you will determine the sway or non-sway structure uh, around y and around z, and you will, if there's a buckling, you will key in the coefficient kz and ky, also the length of y and lz